There is a new way to make money online, and it is copy trading. Now, it's no secret that I use PU Prime to do my copy trading, but today I'm going to be comparing PU Prime to ATFX Broker and their copy trading system. For those of you that don't know what copy trading is, it's where you have experts who put out their trading analysis and send out their signals. You link up your MT5, MT4 account, and you can basically follow their trades at a click of a button, entering and exiting at the same time as them and reaping in the profits from their trades. You will keep a percentage of the profits and they will take a little share as they did all the work. This is something that I do to trade money in the markets, and it is something that has allowed me to travel the world with this income coming in. So now we're going to jump over to the websites and do a little comparison between the two. This is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. So now that we are on the website of PU Prime, we're going to take a look at a couple of aspects compared to ATFX. So you can see here that they have over 200 plus countries serviced. And this is because they are a regulated broker with a lot of licenses. And the thing is, this allows them to access a whole world of customers. Whereas ATFX has 61 different countries. It's over-regulated, which means that a lot of people globally won't be able to use their services. Now, PU Prime is a broker that I use myself, and it is extremely trustworthy as they have, over 300,000 active clients, over 1,000 trading products, and obviously over 200 countries serviced. Now, scrolling down, we're going to click on the copy and master traders page. So looking on the copy trading page, you can see here they have over 150,000 copiers, and that is the customer. I am one of those. They have had over 6 million successful copy trades, and they have 32,000 plus signal providers. Comparing that to ATFX, we actually only have 7,000 providers from 61 different countries, so it's not as on a grand scale as PU Prime. Now, one thing you'll notice with PU Prime is that it is beginner friendly, and you would have seen from my previous videos how easy it is to set up a PU Prime copy trading system and actually get involved and start making profits. With other brokers, it can be a bit more difficult. It's not as self-explanatory. And once you get through all the process, you'll actually find out that it's not even for retail customers. It's mostly for businesses. Now, PU Prime have transparent and comprehensive data. This means that they show you the history and you can track your copy trades in real time. And it is extremely open with the data that they share. One thing for me with all of my investments, I really appreciate being able to see the transparency on what my money is doing so that I can make executive decisions on my next steps. One other thing with PU Prime is that they have fair profit sharing. They have a technique where they use high watermark plus floating orders method to ensure the profit sharing occurs only during continuous gains. With other brokers, it's a bit more difficult. They can lock up your money and they dictate when you can and can't withdraw your cash. And then they obviously have flexible signal sources. So this is where you can choose multiple signal providers, start and stop copy trading at any time. So when we're looking at the top performers and providers within the copy trading systems, on ATFX, you can see here that their number one is sitting at 101.61% total return, 79 investors, and a maximum drawdown of 50%. The leverage is set to 200 to 1 as well. And jumping over to PU Prime, you can see that the highest annual return trader here is 1,815%, an 84% win rate with 190 copiers. So it's just on a grander scale. Obviously up here you have the most copied strategies. So even here, 4,500 copiers, 54% win rate with 10% return. The next one would be 18% return with 4,000 copiers. So you can just see how many people are actually using PU Prime compared to ATFX. One of the things I love about PU Prime as well is that it does have an app that you can use on your phone. So all of this is very mobile, which you can obviously make profits while you're on the go. As you can see from all the evidence that I've now shown, PU Prime right now is the better broker for copy trading. All the links you need are below to get started. So get stuck in, click those, and then go ahead, click the like, click the subscribe, and hit the bell button to be alerted on my next video.